almost the 4th of July.
Yes.
And that says to me, yay America, but also boo Japanese beetles, because they're usually here.
They're here. I already saw damage.
Did you? I
Yes,
haven't seen any
did.
yet, but
yes, I did.
So Gail Stroh, who works
Okay.
in our general department, she's lawn and garden lead, and Gail knows everything about treatments and that kind of thing. And so she's going to talk to us about how to deal with the Japanese beetles, because
Yes.
they're going to be here.
They are, and they eat everything. They like a lot of fruits, a lot of ornamental plants, and they just will do a lot of damage. So, if you want to protect your plants, there are many easy to use products that will help control them. For instance, this is one of the spray-on things that you can use on fruits, vegetables, plants. It's just a pyrethrin spray, and it's called Japanese beetle killer because it does work well for those bugs and other things as well. So that's easy to spray.
Where does pyrethrin come from?
Pyrethrin is made from a plant, a chrysanthemum type plant, and they use the extract to create an organic, natural type product like this, which is very safe to use, but it does kill many insects. So that's a good way to start.
So spray carefully, spray
Yes.
the beetles, and don't
Yes.
spray like pollinating insects like bees and,
right.
and that kind of thing.
Preferably like later in the day, late afternoon, when it's not quite so hot on a day like today, and when the bees are pretty much done for the day. That's a good time to use
Excellent.
it.
What else can we do?
Well, and if you have ornamental products, this is a little stronger product. It is actually a systemic spray that you would put right on the plant and like roses, because sometimes Japanese beetles really like roses and they'll get into your flowers. So this would be a good one to use on that. And then we have the Milky Spore here, which is an organic bacteria that you put on your lawn. And it only kills Japanese beetle grubs. It's very safe to use, doesn't affect people or pets or anybody else.
And it has a really long stay time
Yes.
once you put it on.
Yes, the powder, the concentrated powder actually lasts for 10 years. So that is a good way of controlling the grubs in your lawn. Because when the beetles are active, they're out there eating, and then they lay eggs in your sod, and then they of course
Yeah,
produce
because they're in your lawn for like 85% of their life. I think.
Right, so then that's a good way to protect your lawn and kill a lot of the grubs so they don't emerge next year. And then for the people who don't want to spray or have to mess with any of that, there are the traps. There's a bag that they drop into that you hang, and then there's a pheromone lure that actually attracts them, that it makes them want to come in and find what is making the smell. So it'll really bring them in, but you have to remember that it's going to draw more.
Yes.
So you want to place these far away from the plants that you're trying to protect. So put them maybe on the boundaries of your property so you don't attract more to the trees or
Yeah,
flowers.
because the traps fill up.
Yes.
And then if they can't get in there, then they just drop and feed. So you don't want to put them like over your roses or in your veg garden, but
you will get a lot of them this way, but just remember, you'll probably attract quite a few of them this way too, so put them way far away from the plants you're trying to keep them off of. So
yeah, that's really good advice, because I see people putting the traps like right in their gardens, which
right.
not the best way to use them.
Right. So, but we have many other products that we can recommend to you, so come on in and we'll see if we can help you find something that works for you.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Gail. And happy summer to all of you from all of us here at the Bruce Company. And happy 4th of July, indeed.